The IncuBright 360 Deluxe Egg Incubator Combo Kit offers a comprehensive solution for poultry enthusiasts and homesteaders alike. Whether you're a seasoned breeder or new to hatching, this kit provides convenience, reliability, and optimal conditions for successful egg incubation. The Harris Farms IncuBright 360 Incubator, a key component of the kit, features a rolling egg turner that simulates the natural hen hatch, improving hatch rates. Its auto-stop feature halts egg turning 3 days before hatching, ensuring the embryos develop undisturbed. With 360 airflow technology, consistent temperatures are maintained throughout the incubator, while the built-in LED egg candler allows for easy monitoring of embryo development. The Easy Clean Incubator and Egg Chick Brush simplifies maintenance, keeping the incubator clean and hygienic. Specifically designed for delicate eggs, this brush ensures thorough cleaning without damaging the eggs. The IncuBright Egg Candler provides a window into the embryo's progress, offering an easy and effective way to candle eggs during different development stages. Additionally, the Easy Incubator water trough filler accurately maintains humidity levels, simplifying the incubation process. Pros of the IncuBright 360 Deluxe Egg Incubator Combo Kit include its completeness, high hatch rates facilitated by the rolling egg turner and optimal airflow, user-friendliness, and educational value for learning about incubation. However, beginners may experience an initial learning curve as they familiarize themselves with the incubation process. Additionally, the incubator has a limited capacity, holding up to 22 eggs at a time. In conclusion, the IncuBright 360 Deluxe Egg Incubator Combo Kit is a reliable investment for anyone passionate about hatching chicks. With its thoughtful features and quality components, it ensures a successful incubation journey from start to finish, making it an essential tool for backyard chicken keepers, homesteaders, and poultry enthusiasts alike.